Welcome to the Chattahoochee Nature Center, a hidden gem nestled along the banks of the Chattahoochee River in Roswell, Georgia. Founded in 1976, this 127-acre sanctuary is dedicated to environmental education, wildlife rehabilitation, and connecting people with nature. Just a short drive from Atlanta, it's the perfect spot for families, nature lovers, and curious minds of all ages. Be sure to grab a map upon arrival, wear comfortable shoes, bring a water bottle, and get ready to explore. After purchasing tickets, everybody starts at the Discovery Center, and in here you'll find the engaging Watershed Gallery. It's an interactive exhibit designed especially for kids. It's hands-on, where little explorers can learn how water moves through our ecosystems, how pollution impacts wildlife, and what they can do to protect our planet. I love that the Discovery Center is indoors, so if it's a hot day, there's plenty to do inside, or if you're looking for a rainy day activity, this is a big enough exhibit that you have plenty to do without going outside. Our favorite part of the Discovery Center is that it's the first place you're going to see animals when you come into the Chattahoochee Nature Center. It's home to reptiles, some amphibians, and even a possum that are unable to survive in the wild. They're all rescued. Kids can get up close and personal with these animal ambassadors while learning about their habitats and their behaviors. Be sure to check the event calendar prior to your visit because the center offers award-winning educational programs for children of all ages. From summer camps to field trips and homeschool days, their hands-on approach makes science and nature come alive. Kids don't just learn here, they really discover. We brought my 4-year-old, 8-year-old, and 11-year-old, and all of the hands-on exhibits are truly something that's designed with their ages in mind. Whether you're crawling through a tree, you're climbing, you're twirling something, turning on water, turning off water, it's designed with kids in mind. Volunteers are always around to help answer little ones' questions, and there's even guided walks throughout the Nature Center if you don't want to take a self-guided tour. My kids always pick up the scavenger hunt and the reading log program where you can earn prizes. After the Discovery Center, you've got so much more to explore outside, about 127 acres of forest, wetlands, riverfront, and outdoor exhibit spaces. But what I love is the way they blend art throughout nature. While you're walking around, you'll find outdoor art installations, sculptures, and whimsical displays that really inspire creativity. Kids love to explore the aviaries. They're peaceful enclosures where injured birds of prey live and heal. Here you can see hawks, owls, and even a bald eagle up close. Each bird has its own story, and the center is committed to their care and conservation. Each aviary is carefully designed to give these birds a safe and enriching environment while also offering visitors an unforgettable up-close view. As you stroll past each enclosure, you'll find interpretive signs sharing each of the birds' stories, how they came to the center, what they eat, and the vital role they play in our ecosystem. It's not just about seeing wildlife, it's about connecting with it. In the summer months, don't miss the butterfly encounter. It's a vibrant garden filled with native butterflies. Kids can walk amongst these delicate pollinators and even feed them by hand. It's colorful, immersive, and it's fun while being educational at the same time. We're inside the Butterfly Center at the Chattahoochee Nature Center, and there are butterflies all around us. You have to be really careful where you're stepping because they just land on you, and the kids are really enjoying it. We have little sugar sticks, and the butterflies are coming all over. I also think this was the most Instagram-worthy part of the Chattahoochee Nature Center. With the butterflies all around you, there are so many really cool photo ops that the kids will love. And of course, we can't forget about the nature trails. With over 2.5 miles of shaded paths winding through forests, wetlands, and riverbanks, there's no better way to explore Georgia's natural beauty than along the banks of the Chattahoochee River. Keep an eye out for turtles, frogs, deer, and maybe a heron or two. It's a great place to bring your scavenger hunt.
Dad, there are so many turtles in the lake. You want to go down and see them?
Yeah, let's go.
Yay!
Turtles, beavers, butterflies, aviary exhibits. There's so much to do outside at the Chattahoochee Nature Center that it's going to take you a couple of trips to really see it all. Sadly, during our visit, we didn't make it out on the water, but they have an awesome canoe program that's led by certified guides that are part naturalist and part paddling pro, and they help beginners and families alike. Whether you want a date night, an evening 2.5-hour guided paddle down the river, or you're looking for the family canoe days for ages 5 and up, it's a fun way to experience the Chattahoochee Nature Center. On your way out, check out the gift shop to support the Nature Center. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. Subscribe for more Georgia family travel videos and find me at savvymamalifestyle.com.